Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Notion and locating the source page you want to share. Make sure you are signed into the same workspace on each device. Once confirmed, pick the exact block or database to sync. That decision determines behavior. You choose between a synced block for content, a linked database for dynamic rows, or a mirrored page when structure must match. As you pick, name the master clearly so you recognize it later, and avoid accidental edits in the wrong place. Next, insert a synced block or create a linked database on the master page. Drag the exact content in or use the three-dot menu to convert an existing block. Once created, choose Copy and Sync for synced blocks or create linked database and point to the source if you want rows to mirror. Then set sharing and edit permissions. Give only editors the right to modify the master to control changes. Make sure the sync scope covers the pages and users who need live updates. Finally, paste the synced block copies on each target page and watch a small sync badge or indicator show connection. Verify by making a test edit on the master. You should see changes propagate within seconds. If not, check that users have proper access and that the workspace hasn't blocked external embeds. If sync fails, open version history, undo conflicting edits, or delete and recopy the synced block to rebuild the connection. As a rule, limit simultaneous edits to avoid merged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.